So hi, hello, namaste, welcome to Motovlog Brani. Today we are here in Pure EV SR Eco Bikes, which is in Kantraj Aras Road, Kuampanagar, Mysore. This is our second bike in the segment electric bikes. So we have two different models today with us, and a lot of you guys are asking me for a different vehicles to be reviewed. Okay, nowadays the petrol price is getting increased day by day, and a lot of people are looking into electric bikes, and this is the future for all of us in India. So we will call upon the proprietor Mr. Vikas here today. So yeah, because
Yes.
we have EV bikes today, the electric vehicles called as, and it is from a Pure brand.
Yes.
So what is this Pure brand, and what is the history of this?
EV has started electric vehicles in 2018. The first vehicle is as an e-Pluto. It came from e-Pluto.
Okay.
Mainly the Pure has an research of 50 manpower. It's the daily research happening in the IIT Hyderabad.
So what particular model that we have for today?
Yeah, today we have one is e-Pluto, which is low speed vehicle, and one more is e-Pluto 7G, which is an high speed vehicle.
So when you say low speed and high speed, in what terms that you are saying?
Yes, in low speed we can call it as the vehicle speed as 25 kilometers.
25.
Above 25 kilometer speed, we would call it as a high speed model.
That's okay, above 25.
The speed itself is a vary. It's a low speed vehicle. We don't need a registration.
Okay.
We don't need a license to ride. It's only an age we required to ride the bike. We call it as like a cycle. We can call it as a segment for cycle.
Okay.
Upgradation of a cycle as the speed is less. And one more good thing is government has given an option of without registration, without road tax, and it's an emission free vehicles, and it's completely an eco-friendly vehicle.
So these are the two different models. So this one here is a non-registered one,
Yes.
e-Pluto, which is called, and this is e-Pluto
7G. Yes.
So that is where this requires a registration.
Yes, registration.
And what are the colors available in these models?
Yeah, we have 5 colors in low speed segment and 7 colors in high speed segment.
Okay.
In eco mode, it will goes up to 35 kilometer. And in normal mode it goes up to 40-45 kilometers, and in sports mode it goes from 55 to 60 kilometers. The top speed of the vehicle will reach a 60 kilometers.
So that is the top speed.
Top speed.
And when it comes to the unregistered one?
Yeah, unregistered one we have top speed of 25 kilometer.
Okay.
And you have both same 3 modes we have. We have starts from 15, 20 and 25. The speed varies from each modes.
Okay, so all these electric bikes uses a battery.
Yes.
And what technology of battery has been used in these vehicles, and what is the range that probably gives?
Yes, I will go with the battery. Okay, coming to vehicles, we can say we have lithium ion 1.8 kilowatt battery given to low speed vehicle,
Low speed.
and 2.5 lithium ion battery is given to high speed vehicles.
So what about the range then?
Yes, coming to range, we can easily tell that 1.8 kilowatt battery is 28 Ah battery.
Okay.
28 Ah battery will give you a range around 75 to 80 kilometers with easily on all normal and eco modes. And coming to registered vehicle, we are having a 2.5 kilowatt battery, and it's giving a range of about 90 in the sports mode and 120 in the eco mode.
So when it comes to the braking, what do you have at the front and the rear?
Yes, in front we have disc brakes for both low speed and high speed, and in back we have motor attached drum brakes.
So in comparison to e-Pluto and e-Pluto 7G, I think what the major changes that you have?
Like the body is the same, The major changes is the motor.
The motor. Yeah. So what is the charging time? How much time it takes from 0 to 100?
Yes, we have given two types of chargers. One is for low speed, we are giving a 6 amps charger,
Okay.
and high speed for 10 amps charger. Normally it will take from 6 amps charger, it will take around 3.5 hours for a full charge of the battery.
Okay.
When it is completely dry, it may take up to 4 hours.
4 hours.
Normally we can call it as 3.5 to 4 hours
Okay, for both the
for both the vehicles.
So what about the tire size?
Yeah. Coming to tires, it is not different than other petrol vehicle tires. The same tires which are used.
Okay.
It is easily available in the market.
So what are the additional features when it comes to the keys or keyless? What you can do with
Yes, that I will tell you the advantages. Anti-theft smart lock,
Okay.
as you used in the cars. We have a sound system like alarms, like any touches or feel to the vehicle, or someone is trying to pull out the vehicles. We have an anti-theft smart lock.
So no, that's very good to know. A lot of advantages are there. Buying the electric vehicle that to Pluto once. So what about the price in Mysore?
Yes, the ex-showroom price of ePluto is 68,000, and the ex-showroom price of ePluto 7G, the registered vehicle, is 79,999.
Okay.
Including the registration and insurance, it will costing around 85 to 86,000, and there is a compulsory insurance for registration of the
This
vehicles.
is compulsory insurance. If you want,
If
to
you
do it with
want,
that,
yes,
you can do it with that.
yeah, the insurance is available for low speed model. If required, you can take. There is no like mandate for low speed vehicle.
So yeah, when it comes to the maintenance, what actually someone takes the bike out of your showroom,
Yes.
and when they actually come for the service, and what are the intervals if you have any service intervals?
Normally says there is a zero maintenance for electrical vehicles.
Okay.
Okay, I will change this in a different way. There will be a small amount of service which is included, which is to be done, maintenance to be done. We can't able to say that it is a zero, completely a zero maintenance. We can call it as a nominal. Comparatively, IC engines, it may be 1:10.
Okay.
And regularly you need to check up the batteries with the dealers. That needs to be done.
Okay.
Because the usage of the batteries or the vehicle will get to know once you bring to the dealers. There is a nominal service time up. There is like first service, it might be 500 kilometers, because any wear and tear initially happens in the beginning. That needs to be taken up.
Okay. So what about the warranty for these models?
Yes, we have giving a warranty for the vehicle is 1 year, like motor, controller, any electrical devices. We would be giving it for 1 year.
Okay.
And other than that, for the battery, additionally we are giving 2 years. It's called it as with 3 years of warranty.
Okay.
Yes, we'll go with the first display. It's an 5-inch MF LCD display. We call it as a multifunctional display.
Okay.
Here you can able to see these are the modes of the vehicle, the speed modes, what we call eco, nominal, and the sports mode. Here you are getting an additional feature in this vehicle. We can call it as a parking mode.
So how about the mode changing? Is there any button for it?
Yes, there is an switch like first, second, and third. You can the same indication is in the display. It is in which mode. You can see this. The modes are here. Additional to that, we have an small options in this multifunctional screen. If there is any issues with any of the part of the vehicles, we have an additional sensors for all like motors, controllers, and accelerators. There is an symbols here. You can see it. It will once you switch on the vehicle, it will shows and it will go off. If there is any issues, it will shows in the display unit. Okay, I will show up with the storage. We have a small storage in the front of the vehicle. You can keep it like mobiles, purse, anything, the small keys that would be better safe in the place. Yes, we'll go for a battery compartment. The main advantages of these batteries in these vehicles are We have removable batteries that you can lift it up the battery and you can charge wherever it in a 5 amp sockets. And there is an option for the charging with the vehicle. These keys, you have 4 functions with the keys, and you have an alarm, you have an ignition button, and you have an lock and unlock option. And this is the option we set. Without keys we can start the vehicle easily.
So yeah, here we have the key for the vehicle. I think this looks something different. Okay, so we'll go for a test ride and see how this bike performs on the road. We have it. Oh, okay, started. You just don't have to start or do anything with this, so it's directly started when you switch on the key. So we are at the mode 1, so mode selector can be done it with this here, and the parking option is here. Okay, now we are going. Yes, that is a better one, for India. And now for electric bikes there is a lot of demand. See, this is a mode 1, so if you want to switch to mode 2, so I just changed it. So let's see the speed. I think you feel a bit more of power with the mode 2. The battery is almost full, 1 point down, so I'm going somewhere 45, 46. So that is the speed. What if I change it to the mode 3? So now there is a mode 3, and we see, do you feel it's called as a sport mode. So let's see. Yes, obviously it works really well. So you can see the speed is increasing. Brakes are pretty good. As I said, they have the disc brake at the front and the normal drum brake at the rear. Let me know in the comments below if you want to know more information about this vehicle, or the same type of models that you want us to be doing the review on. So we are happy to do that for you. Bikes. So this is the registered one I am saying. I mean the 7G model of EV Pluto. 100 EV motors, the electric vehicles. Thanks to them, and thanks to the store in Mysore, which is in Kuempu Nagar, for giving us a test ride and a flexibility to do the video of it. So the link for the showroom is in the description below. You can just check it out. It's always fun to ride. So yeah, we are going to end this vlog for the day. I think hope you guys liked it. Please do like, share and comment as much as possible, and even the subscription is most important for me as well. So guys, this is what in return that I asked for. So thanks for everyone, and thanks for watching this video, and let me see you back again in the other videos.
Yes, kindly visit Pure EV SR Eco Bikes at Kuempu Nagar, Mysore, for test rides of all the models and for best deals. Thank you.